My name is Naveen and I am basically from Haryana and I have done my Btech in Textile Engineering. After completion of my Btech in 2020, I got job in Bangalore as a junior merchandiser, and then I was doing job there. Then I came to know about the analytics and I was like doing some analysis work side by side. Then one of my IT friends they told me like you can switch into IT fields by doing some analytics course. And one of my friend he has done a course of analytics data science 360 from AnalytixLabs. He suggested me regarding that you can go and visit to this institute in Bangalore. I choose integrated program because if I go for data science 360, it's only for 6 or 7 months course. So I was having some sort of fear, like can I switch after doing this? So the faculties here they told me after doing integrated program, definitely you will get job because of the standard of the integrated programs, how all those topics they will cover, like from basic of VBA, Advanced Excel, SQL, Tableau, Python, machine learning, then statistics, deep learning, AI, and clouds also. And if I go for like big data part, Hive, Scoop, Hadoop, all those things they have covered in this program. So on 7th September 2021, I opted for this integrated program and then start working. I left my that textile job. Then I mainly focus on all these things. I have not like completed my integrated program till now also because I have only done my VBA part, Advanced Excel, SQL, Tableau, Python, machine learning part, and statistics part. And in between, like I have learned some Hadoops and all those things, also big data part. But before completing that, I got so many opportunities from so many companies. So then I thought like I can go for all those interviews and I can do my job side by side. If I have to go for like my big data and course, then I can do side by side. We have done so many projects, case studies, and means all those are live, or I can say like case studies which are going on in the like big companies. There are so many faculties they help us if we got some problems, issues in facing in our projects or case study. So they definitely help us in solving all those problems, and like we need to work on all those case studies ourselves. That will be more beneficial if we do. I got so many opportunities from Flipkart, Swiggy, PwC, and there are other companies also I got. But after going through all these things, I accepted an offer from Flipkart that is 4.6, and it will be like 3 months, and after that they will increase my package according to my performance and all. My work as a analyst there, I am working on the projects of pains of the customers like control tower, analyze the data and all those. I will definitely recommend, even not my family, I will recommend to my friends also. I have recommended already, and they also got jobs by doing all those things because according to me, like the quality they give, the quality content, the depth, and all those things. That's like standard is high as compared to the markets, other courses, and all those things I have.